If you think freelancing is dead, you're already losing. People are still making $1,000, $3,000, even $10,000 per month on Fiverr and Upwork, but not the way you think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start, what actually works in 2026, and a hidden method almost nobody is using. Let's start with Fiverr. Most beginners fail because they treat Fiverr like a marketplace instead of a search engine. Step 1. Niche down. Don't say I do graphic design, say I design gym brand social media posts or real estate reels. Step 2. Gig optimization. Your gig title should match what people search. Example, bad. I will design amazing posts. Good. I will design high-converting Instagram posts for real estate agents. Step 3. Thumbnail equals CTR. Your gig image decides everything. Use bold text, contrast, and show results, not just design. Step 4. First 5 orders. Hack price low initially. Over-deliver like crazy. Ask for reviews properly. Those first 5 reviews will decide your future on Fiverr. Now, Upwork is a different game. This is not passive. This is hunting. Step 1. Profile positioning. Your profile is not your CV. It's a landing page. Bad. I am a professional designer with 3 years experience. Good. I help e-commerce brands increase sales with scroll-stopping creatives. Step 2. Proposal formula. 1. First line equals hook. 2. Show understanding. 3. Give quick solution. 4. Soft CTA. Example, hey, I checked your website and your posts lack strong call to action design. I can redesign 3 posts for free sample. Want me to show? Step 3. Apply smart. Don't send 50 proposals daily. Send 5 high-quality ones. Step 4. Speed wins. Apply within first 10 to 15 minutes of job posting. Let me save you months of frustration. Copy-paste proposals. Generic gigs. No portfolio proof. Talking about yourself instead of client. Focus on results. Show before and after work. Speak client language. Clients don't care about your effort. They care about outcome. Now, here's where things get interesting. Bark. Clients come to you. Less competition. Perfect for beginners. How to win. Respond fast. Keep message simple. Offer quick call. LinkedIn is not for jobs. It's for clients. Strategy. Optimize profile like a service page. Post 3 to 4 times per week. DM strategy. No selling, just conversation. Hey, saw your brand. Your visuals are strong but inconsistent. Thought I'd share a quick idea. If you apply even 30% of this video, you'll start getting clients. Freelancing isn't saturated. Low-effort freelancers are. Subscribe if you want real strategies, not motivation.